So the risk management also there. Align it with Izanagi, guys. When you are in drawdown, we have different definitions of drawdown. Your goal are only two things. Yun yung pro tip ko dito. Aim for break even, especially pag wala ka ng letter P na yan, yung peace of mind. Aim for break even, aim for small profit or small loss. Aim for break even, aim for small profit or more loss. Do not put yourself in a situation na hindi mo na alam. Kasi darating ka, kaya mo talagang mag-handle ng malaking account. Pero i-ready mo yung sarili mo pag nag-drawdown at hindi ibigay ng market yung gusto mo mangyari. At hindi ibigay ni market. So, ito lang yung dapat mong gawin. Aim mo lang, break even, small profit. Kasi you know why? Based on statistics, if a certain market or a certain risk already lumalalim na siya, two things lang mangyayari sa'yo dyan. Masisira na yung diskarte mo, that's one. That's the most crucial one. And by statistics, you need a higher recovery rate. Diba? Ito yung risk to win ratio, diba? Same din yan sa drawdown. If you step in outside the 20-25%, ito ko lagi kong advice, ulitin yung account. Kasi you're doing something wrong.